Apparently they're both like kind of naked in it, so let's watch. Are you obsessed with the song right now?
I so am. It's catchy. Come on.
I love it. It's really good. I can't stop playing it, and I keep going ooh la la. Should we talk about how gay your shirt is?
I think it's nice. I got so many compliments at the office on the shirt. I mean, I work at Grindr, so.
I don't get compliments on my shirt.
When you show, so it's the face thing, right? Like that overdrawn, like.
What do you mean?
They post those things.
They posted those types of things. Memes? 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 What is it?
Memes?
Memes? Memes?
Memes? It could be memes.
I don't know.
Memes. I say memes. I don't know.
I see memes.
Meme? It could be memes. It's not like it's like a whole collection of them, or it's like the scrunchy face thing.
What?
You know, like, you have a picture of it when it's like, why you no like, and the face has like crumbs on it.
Yeah,
and, like,
but it's not like, yeah,
and...
but that's not the only. It's not like a site dedicated to like why you know memes.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's what they're called, why you know memes?
I don't know. I made it up right now. Isn't it catchy? Let's make it work.
They have like an angry one where there's like the, you know, yeah, that one. It's like the awful shocked face. I love cheddar.